Girl Garden. And also, I was in the new update, and look what I got. A Massive Beanstalk, the football, fruit ball, one, and then we got a bunch of things over here. There's my lemonade stand, okay, if you guys didn't see it. Got a bunch of things right here. Also got this thing. Where is it? Should I do this? Actually, yeah. Whoever uses this sound first, then they get this. Also, back to the video. You guys have to use this sound or remix this video. Also, I got a lot of things. And that's it. Make sure to use this sound and you'll get this thing.